Hello, and welcome to CompareMigration.com.au. I'm Professor Migration, your guide through the often complex world of visas and migration. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the Business Innovation and Investment Permanent Visa, specifically the Significant Investor Stream, also known as Subclass 888. Are you considering making a significant investment in Australia? If so, you're in the right place. This video will break down the key steps and considerations you need to know to navigate this process smoothly. Understanding migration is crucial. It empowers you to make informed, stress-free decisions for you and your family. Let's get started with our list of essential insights. To qualify for the Significant Investor Stream visa, you'll need to invest 5 million Australian dollars in complying investments. Think of this as filling out a vital checklist. Without that investment, you won't tick the box for eligibility. Remember, you can apply whether you're in Australia or overseas, but not while you're in immigration clearance. Prepare your investment documentation early. Ensure you meet health and character requirements. Remember, the application fee is 3,310 Australian dollars. Once granted, this visa opens the door to a wealth of benefits. You can enjoy the perks of living in Australia indefinitely, including access to Medicare, local schooling rates for your children, and the freedom to work anywhere. Familiarize yourself with public services available to permanent residents. Explore education options for your children to maximize their opportunities. Consider the long-term financial implications of living and working in Australia. One of the great features of the Significant Investor Stream is the ability to include your family. Your spouse and dependent children can join you in this journey, but they must also meet the health and character requirements. Gather all necessary documentation to prove your relationships. Don't forget to include health checks and police certificates for everyone. Add family members to your application before a decision is made to ensure they don't miss out. Budgeting is crucial when applying for this visa. The main fee for the primary applicant is 3,310 Australian dollars, but there may be additional costs for family members or health checks. Keep track of all potential costs to avoid financial surprises. If applicable, be prepared for the second installment of 4,890 Australian dollars for applicants over 18 with less than functional English. Double-check that all fees are paid correctly to prevent delays. Applying for the Significant Investor Stream visa can be streamlined by following a clear, step-by-step process. Start by obtaining a nomination from a state or territory government. Gather your documentation and submit your application with care. Ensure all documents are complete and accurate to avoid rejections. Follow up on your application status regularly to stay informed. Consider consulting a migration professional for additional guidance. Now, let's add some depth to these points. Common mistakes include failing to gather required documents quickly or miscalculating the application fees. To avoid these pitfalls, create a checklist of all necessary documents and fees at the outset. This way, you'll ensure nothing is overlooked and your application can proceed without unnecessary delays. If you have questions about migration or the visa process, feel free to share your experiences or ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on visas and migration. For further resources, visit CompareMigration.com.au. And remember, seeking expert advice can be a game changer. To wrap things up, understanding the Business Innovation and Investment Visa, particularly the Significant Investor Stream, can significantly impact your migration journey. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can successfully navigate the process and enjoy the long-term benefits of living in Australia. Remember, migration can be complex, but with the right guidance, you can make it happen. Stay curious and informed at CompareMigration.com.au.